Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Chapter 6 Pronouns in Grammar. You have already learned about this in Course Book Chapter 3. Do you remember that, children? So, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that used in the place of nouns. I repeat, a pronoun is a word that used in the place of nouns. Let's see which are pronouns. I, he, she, it, you, they, we are called pronouns. I is used to talk about myself. You is used to talk to the person we are talking to. He is used to talk about a boy. She is used to talk about a girl. They to talk about many people. We to talk about myself and some others. It is used to talk about an animal, a baby, or a thing. Here, I, he, she, it are used for singular nouns. We and they are used for plural nouns. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Let's learn the use of pronouns in the sentences with the help of examples. Look at the first picture. My name is Rahul. I am a student of class 2. Here, the pronoun I stands for the noun Rahul. Second one, she said, Amit, you are a good boy. So here, you stands for the noun Amit. John is playing golf. He plays well. Here, the pronoun he stands for noun John. Look at Meera. She plays well. Here, the pronoun she stands for noun Meera. Children are playing. They are very happy. So here, they stands for the noun children. Rita, Peter and I are playing. We are friends. So here, we stands for the nouns Rita, Peter and I. This is Tommy. It is my pet cat. Here the pronoun it stands for Tommy. So children, hope you understood the usage of pronouns. Where do we use pronouns? We use pronouns in the place of nouns to avoid repetition. So all of you read these examples carefully in your textbook. You have to complete the exercises by using the correct pronouns. Read the sentences carefully. Keep revising. Try to do the exercises by yourself. Have a good day. Thank you.